My name's Gerard, and I am the Site Superintendent at the Century Commons job site in Hillsboro. We're finishing up trim in Building 5. We got insulation going into Building 5 as well, so that building is just about completed. And we're also done framing Building 8. It's a weight off of my shoulders now to have the roof on the building. We've got plumbers in there today, and electricians are here, and they're going to wrap up so we can get insulation in and move on to drywall. Drywall is going to be showing up for delivery into Building 3, 4, and 7, and we will have those ready for trim in about 2 weeks. We got the Portland Youth Builders are back on site, and they're a pleasure to work with. They're working in Building 2. They're currently doing all the flooring in Building 2, and they're going to move on to trim soon after that. The volunteers have been doing all of the trim in Building 5, and they're moving on to Building 1 after that. Here at Century Commons, we have 18 total units. We're hoping to have homeowners move in sometime in the early to late fall. If you would like to learn more or get involved, head to our website at habitatportlandregion.org.